Hello, my name is Ben Schultz, and I am proud to serve as the principal of Dakota City Elementary. Folks, as you know, since about August, we started what's called Cardinal Vision, and it really was a process where we worked with community members, parents, teachers, and some students to try to shape the future of South Sioux City Community Schools. For Dakota City, this process includes some really exciting possibilities of much needed additions and improvements to our school. But to make this vision a reality, we need your input and feedback to guide our next steps. Your voice is essential in ensuring the best outcomes for our students and our community. So we do have a survey that we'd really like you to take. The survey is ssccardinals.org/survey. And this survey closes pretty soon, so we want you to rush right there. But also, we want to hear Dakota City's voice. We want to hear your neighbor's voice. We want your friends to take this survey, and everyone in South Sioux City as well. Your input will make a difference for the next generation of Cardinals.